Good evening, everyone. So today I'm going to give you a presentation about AI and Copilot features in D365 Business Central. So below are some key points which I'm going to demonstrate today, like how the AI generate marketing text for items based on some defined attributes. Then the analysis mode, like how you can summarize your data, like vendor ledger entry, item ledger entry, customer ledger entry, and GL ledger entry. Then we'll see the sales order agent. We'll see sales line suggestions, how based on the email you receive from the customer, how the system can suggest the sales lines. Then we'll see the number series suggestions, how the bank reconciliation can be done through Copilot, how the purchase agent works, then the global search, then how the Copilot takes the natural language based on which it will give you the analysis, which I believe is a game changer for the Dynamics 365. And then I'll show you the process guide, right? So now I'll move to the system. So this is the home screen, or you can say the dashboard of Business Central. I'll start with the item. I'll just go to the items. I'll just take this item. So this is the Paris guest chair black. This is the black color chair. Now I have defined some attributes for this particular item, which is the color, the depth of the item, what is the height of the item, the material description, model, and the width of the item. And based on that, how system will generate the marketing text that I will going to show you, right? So I'll just click on edit marketing text. First I'll draft, then we can edit those texts as well, right? All right. So this is the marketing text which system has given me, that take a seat in Paris where the style meets comfort right at your desk, right? So here we have a couple of options, like you can organize the tone based on your requirement, like it could be a formal, casual, inspiring, upbeat, creative. So let's say I want to see the creative one, so I can just click on creative. So this is how the creative text will come. Now I can change the format also, like whether I need just a tagline, paragraph, brief. So I'll just show you the tagline. So this is how the tagline can be changed. Then here also we can have the emphasis. Let's say I want to have an emphasis on the reliability. So this is how you can keep regenerating those things. If you want to have the brief, you can have those briefs as well, right? So this is the brief about this particular item. You can keep it. So it will be there on your system screen, right? You can further edit it also. So whenever you need to edit, you can edit those things. Let's say you want to have something in bold, you can do those things in bold as well. You need to have some bullet lines, you need to have some color changes, you need to ask system, that system can suggest you those marketing tests. So you can again click on the suggest marketing test, and based on your input, system will suggest you the text for the item, right? So this is first feature which I have just shown you. Now I'll go to the analysis view. So we'll open the vendor ledger entry. This is my vendor ledger entry. Now here we have an analysis mode. So I can click on the analysis mode. So here we will have the analysis based on our requirements. So I'll just delete everything first. So this is the analysis mode screen. And on the right hand side, you can see the pivot mode as well. So we can create the pivot table based on our requirements. So let's say I want to see the document type. I'll see the month-wise document type. So I can see like invoices, per month invoices, how much I have, how much credit notes I have monthly basis, then how much payments I have made on the monthly basis, right? And here you can see the total of everything. Then if you will click on drive, then you can have it in the Excel as well, right? So this is how you can create your analysis, and you can give the name to those analysis. Let's say docu wise report. And you can create multiples as well. So based on your requirement, you can have multiple analysis. Let's say on this one, I just need to have the vendor wise detail of document type. I'll go to the document type. Now I can go to the analysis. In the document type, I can select what exactly I want. I just need to see the payments. So I can click on payments only. So now I can see these are the payments I have made against each vendor. You can see. So this analysis, I can give the name as payments to vendor. Right now, whenever I want to see the payment, like how much payment I have made to this any particular vendor, so I can just simply, if I'll close this, I can just simply click on the analysis mode, and you can see those numbers over here. And the best part is these numbers will keep updating whenever you post any transaction. You don't need to have any scheduler, or you need not to have like a refresh on this particular page. It will automatically update all the numbers, right? So this is one feature. Then the best part is the Copilot suggestions. So it takes the natural language I have just mentioned. So you can just create your analysis based on your input. So let's say I want to see uh, month-wise invoice amount. So I'll click on generate. So you can see system is created month-wise. So here we have a month, here we have a vendor. System has created month-wise invoice amount against each vendor for me. Like if I want to add, let's say payments as well. So I can just simply type add payments to. So the AI, or you can say the Copilot, will give me those features, those options to keep giving the inputs, and system will create the reports or the dashboards for me based on my requirement, right? Now it is generating the report. Now you can see. So here we have invoice and payment amount. So you can see this is the debit amount, and here we have a credit amount. So we can see all those payments along with the invoices, right? If I'll click on here, I can check those document number as well, against which document number we have those payments and invoices booked, right? So this is how you can create your own analysis and own reports, right? Now I'll show you the sales agent capabilities. So here, whatever emails you will get, it will be auto connected to your Outlook. So let's say I just want to show you the setup first. If you will go to the settings, so you can see I have tagged my email ID with this sales order agent. So whatever emails I will get in my Outlook, it will be automatically populated over here. And based on my customer requirement, I can generate the codes from this page itself, right? So I have received one mail. I'll just cancel this. So you can see these are the mails which I have received. I have received one mail from Monica. So if I'll click on this, I'll click on review. So this is the email where Monica has mentioned that she'll be looking for some conference chairs, conference tables, chairs, lamps. I need to provide the quotation. So I'll just click on continue. Now you can see the task is in progress. So once it will be updated, I can further work on that particular document. So it is also saying that you can continue working on your system until the agent will get those data based on your input, and it will suggest me like how you need to move further, right? So I think let's wait for a couple of minutes so that we'll have things in line. Or else I'll just show you the bank reconciliation also by the time system will create those things. Okay, I have some input. So system has checked the availability and they've requested item, confidence table, chair, lamp are not available in the system for the specific quantity which she has mentioned. So make such item available or stop. So I'll just click on review. All right. So you can see now I can see those availabilities of the item. So the available quantity of those chairs I think are not available. That's why system is giving me those notifications. So you can see based on the date, I'll just change the date. I'll just continue. So I'll just show you the bank reconciliation, how those reconciliation works. I'll go to bank account reconciliation. So this is one of my bank reconciliation which I have created. So what I can do, so these are the lines. So I can suggest, click on suggest line. My lines will automatically populate over here. So I have already get those lines. So now at the top, you can see the reconcile button. So I'll just click on reconcile. So system will reconcile all those entries which are matching with each other. And based on that, you can see the color has been turned to green. That means it has been matched. And all those balances are showing over here. So this is how you can do the reconciliation from the Copilot, right? And if there is any differential entry, so those differential entries can be posted through GL as well. So system will automatically post those differential entries, right? Now you can see here we have something after rerunning the search, chairs are still not available. So I'll just stop this task. I can close it. So if we have an item available, system can directly create the quotation based on our input. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the sales quote. I'll create a new quote. So here I will select the vendor, oh sorry, customer. Now I'll go to the item line. So I'll go here and I'll click on suggest line. So here I will paste my email which I have received from the customer. So I'll paste it here. I'll say generate. So you can see system is suggesting me that these are the conference tables you have in system. These are the chairs you have based on the input, and these are the lamps you have. And this is the quantity which is required. So in the matching also, we can define whether we need a permissive matching, balanced matching, or precise matching. And then view also, we can see the line only or line with confidence. So I'll just click on insert. So my line will automatically get inserted. Now I can mention the quantity, and based on that, I can print the purchase quotation or sales quotation, right? So this quote will be created. I can send this quote to my customer, and based on the confirmed order, we'll get the order from the customer, and then we can do the sales. So you have seen like how we can ask system like just suggest me the lines which customer is requiring based on the emails we have get from the customer, right? And agent also we have seen. So these are some features. Now let me check what is left. Okay, the number series suggestion and the global search. Okay, so how the global search works. So this is my global search button, right? I can click on chat. So here I can chat with Copilot. Let's say I want to see the like it is suggesting me like how I can type anything and we can see those numbers. So let's say I want to see the last posted sales invoice amount. So here I can see like this is my last posted sales invoice. This was the date and this is the amount. If I want to check like who was the customer, I can see the customer was LS Retail. So this is how I can check. Apart from this, if I want to, let's say, ask system like how I can create the sales invoice, so I can just simply type, being a new user, I can just type how to create a sales order. So Copilot will guide me like how I can follow or what all steps I can follow to create the sales order. So it is saying that search sales order in the tab, then you can create new, select the customer. On the line level, you can select the product, charges or transactions, number, quantity. So all those things are suggesting by system, then I can post. So this is how you can use those global search buttons just to identify what all requirements you have, what documents you need to create, what input you required from the system. So you can just simply type, system will give you those inputs based on your system will give you those answers based on your input, right? All right. So I think this is it for now. Thank you for watching.